Hey guys, Dan Jiles here with Let's Fix It. If you saw my last video where I converted the fluorescent tube in a fluorescent light fixture over to LED, well, what I've decided to do, that I'm in my studio here, if you can call it that, and I'm going to install that light fixture in my ceiling here to get rid of this kind of this amberish incandescent bulb look, and I'm going to put that LED fixture in the ceiling. So I'll show you how to do that. If you haven't seen the video where I converted over to the LED bulbs, I'll put a link in the description, the little card right. It's up there in the corner somewhere, it's going to pop up. But I'll put that up there so that you can see how to convert over from the fluorescent bulbs to the LED bulbs. Let's get started on this installation of the LED fixture. Right here behind me is the light fixture I'm going to take down and put the LED 4-foot fixture in its place. You can see that that's not really all that great of a light fixture. It's not really a good lighting system for my little studio that I'm doing here. So yeah, the lighting in this is not that great. So what I'm going to do is change that light fixture over to the 4-foot LED fixture. It's going to brighten this whole area up. And I can work on things on the computer and not have to worry and struggle with the lighting and the shadows and everything that I'm getting currently. So what I'm going to have to do is cut the power off to this light fixture. So it's going to make it pretty dark in here for a little while, and right off the bat I'm going to apologize for the lighting situation that you're going to have to endure. I'll try my best to brighten it up and make it look as clear as I can, but when you're dealing with not having power and you don't have any light, it sure makes for a bad video, and I understand that. Hopefully it won't take too long and we'll get back to a brighter, whiter light that we can work off of. So let's get started with that. All right, well, that was kind of simple, wasn't it? Well, the moment of truth. We're gonna go turn the light switch on and see how bright it gets in here. I went ahead and set up the studio so that it's in focus and so that you can see the brightness that we're getting out of this. That's what I'm talking about. That's going to be a lot brighter to work with in here. You know, it's pretty tough when I'm doing my edits and stuff like that, and I'm getting shadows on the keyboard, shadows from my arm. I can't really edit the way I'm supposed to because the lighting is so bad. Now it's going to be a lot brighter in here for me to do what I need to do. Well, there you go. Just installed that light fixture. Now this light fixture was one that I converted from fluorescent tubes to direct wire LED bulbs, which had made this light fixture a lot lighter, so that once I took it apart to be able to screw it up to the ceiling, I mean, that thing, I could hold it with one hand, no problem. So, you know, I've gotten comments about why I didn't use ballast compatible bulbs, and the reason for that is that I bought these bulbs to do away with the ballast. If you're keeping that ballast in that light fixture, it's going to use power. It's going to use more power than what the LED bulbs would use. So what's the sense in keeping that ballast? And also, that ballast is going to fail. No question about it. It will fail. And when it does, you're going to have to make a decision. Do you replace the ballast to go along with the LEDs? Do you put fluorescent bulbs back in, which you're defeating your purpose of LED bulbs? So why not go ahead and buy the direct wire LED bulbs now, do away with that ballast, and be done with that problem altogether. You never have to worry about the ballast going bad if there's no ballast in the fixture. So that's why I did that. So it's going to save money in the long run just using direct wire LED light bulbs. And as you can see, I've got some pretty bright light in here now, so editing in this room is going to be a whole lot nicer and a whole lot easier now that I have some bright white light bulbs in this fixture, which only took me minutes to install. This is Dan Jiles with Let's Fix It. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget that I'm going to put a link to that video that I shot on converting this light fixture over to the LEDs from fluorescent. So check up here, up in this top corner, and it'll be a little card coming across there. So I'll see you soon.